Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear kids. I'm your teacher, Humna Awais from your very own preschool, again with you with another reading lesson of Hansel and Gretel. Dear kids, I hope you will be fine and learning from your teachers. और मुझे ये भी पता है कि आप स्कूल को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं और अपनी टीचर्स को भी बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं. You want to come to school to learn and have fun with your friends and teachers. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इसके लिए आप सब दुआ कीजिए कि अल्लाह ताला हमें इस मुश्किल टाइम में से जल्दी से निकाल दें और हम सब दोबारा से स्कूल जा सकें. Let's start our today's lesson with an interesting poem. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous words you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I will read to you. Okay kids, you know, books are your best friends. You learn about so many things and places when you read a book. Kids, now it's revision time. I will show you some pictures and you will recall the vocabulary of page number 3. Let's start. Here is our first picture. What's this? The moon and star. What's this, dear kids? Yes, it's wolf. What's this? It's bat. What's this? It's something scary. Yes, it's snake. Very good. Okay, now let's see what Hansel and Gretel are doing after losing their way in the woods. Open the page number 4 of your book. Oh, Hansel and Gretel are looking very sad. And they are looking scared also, now. Dear kids, you will learn some new words here. Yes, it's firefly here. A branch of a tree. Yes, green leaf. Let's read the lines now. It's dark and they are afraid. Read again. It's dark and they are afraid. Now move to the page number 5 of your book and see what's happening there. Oh, poor Hansel and Gretel are sleeping in the woods. Where are they sleeping? I think they are sleeping under the tree. There is a bird also. They are looking very scared ना, और डरते डरते वो लोग सो गए. Oh. Okay, now read the lines. The two children sleep under a tree. The two children sleep under a tree. Read again. The two children sleep under a tree. Okay, dear kids. I hope you will take care of yourself. और आप लोग ये पेज नंबर 4 और 5 की रीडिंग करेंगे और अपनी टीचर्स को अपनी वीडियोस सेंड करेंगे. नाउ इट्स अल्लाह हाफिज़ टाइम. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.